Welcome back to Simple Mind Space, the podcast dedicated to exploring the fascinating world of personal finance, financial freedom, and the millionaire mindset. Today, we have a truly captivating story to share with you, a journey of transformation and discovery featuring none other than the visionary CEO of MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor. Imagine this. It's 2020. The world is in the throes of a global pandemic, and traditional businesses are struggling to survive. Yet, amidst the chaos, a quiet revolution is brewing in the financial world. This is where Michael's story takes a fascinating turn, leading him to challenge conventional financial wisdom and embrace the revolutionary potential of Bitcoin. As the head of a successful software company, Michael had always played by the rules of traditional finance. But the events of 2020 forced him to question everything he thought he knew. He watched in dismay as the pandemic wreaked havoc on Main Street businesses, while Wall Street seemed to emerge even stronger. It was a stark illustration of the growing disconnect between the two. Seeking a way to navigate this turbulent financial landscape and protect his company's future, Michael embarked on a quest to find a safe haven for his company's treasury. Traditional options like bonds and treasury bills were yielding negligible returns in a zero-interest rate environment. He needed a solution, a new approach to corporate treasury management. This search led him to an unlikely candidate, Bitcoin. Initially, it seemed like a radical, even risky proposition. But as Michael delved deeper, he became convinced that Bitcoin wasn't just a digital currency. It was a revolutionary technology, a paradigm shift in the making. He saw in Bitcoin a solution to the inherent flaws of the traditional financial system, an independent, decentralized system that couldn't be manipulated by governments or central banks. Bitcoin, with its fixed supply and transparent rules, offered a level of certainty and security that was simply unmatched in the traditional world. Convinced that he had stumbled upon a game changer, Michael made a bold move. He decided to convert a significant portion of MicroStrategy's treasury into Bitcoin. It was a decision met with skepticism and even resistance from some quarters. But Michael stood his ground, driven by his unwavering belief in the transformative potential of this digital asset. His conviction would prove to be well-founded. MicroStrategy's bold move paid off, setting off a chain reaction in the corporate world. Suddenly, Bitcoin was no longer a fringe idea relegated to the edges of the internet. It was a viable treasury asset, a legitimate investment option for forward-thinking companies. However, Michael's story goes beyond just the financial aspect. His exploration of Bitcoin opened his eyes to deeper philosophical and ideological underpinnings. He discovered a vibrant global community, united by a shared belief in individual sovereignty, financial freedom, and the power of decentralized technology. Bitcoin, he realized, wasn't just about money. It was about empowering individuals and challenging the status quo. And that brings us to the crux of Michael's philosophy, the importance of approaching Bitcoin with a sense of responsibility, a deep respect for its core principles. He believes in a cautious, conservative approach to development, prioritizing the long-term stability and integrity of the network above all else. He draws an analogy to the intricate systems found in aviation and aerospace engineering. Just like an aircraft's design prioritizes stability and safety above all else, so too should Bitcoin's development prioritize the network's integrity and resilience. He advocates for a deliberate, measured approach, emphasizing the need for broad consensus and a deep understanding of the potential consequences before implementing any changes to the protocol. In essence, Michael's philosophy boils down to a simple yet powerful idea: don't F with the network. He believes that Bitcoin's strength lies in its simplicity, its elegant design, and its unwavering adherence to a set of core principles. To illustrate this point, he uses the example of the US military's approach to critical infrastructure. Even in today's technologically advanced world, there are certain systems where simplicity, reliability, and time-tested procedures take precedence over complex software solutions. This, he argues, is a valuable lesson for the Bitcoin community. Michael's insights extend to the debate surrounding Bitcoin development funding. While he supports the need to support developers, he cautions against the dangers of unlimited, ungoverned funding. He argues that such an approach could incentivize reckless development and undermine the very principles that make Bitcoin so compelling. Drawing parallels to the pitfalls of big government and big tech, Michael advocates for a more decentralized approach to development, one that prioritizes transparency, accountability, and a deep respect for the core values of the Bitcoin community. As Michael eloquently puts it, the Bitcoin protocol is the essence of its governance. It's the constitution of Bitcoin. And just like a well-crafted constitution, Bitcoin's protocol should be treated with reverence, amended only when absolutely necessary and with the utmost care and consideration. His insights into the political landscape surrounding Bitcoin are equally illuminating. He highlights the pivotal role the U.S. government plays in shaping the future of this digital asset class. He observes a fascinating shift in the political winds, with both major political parties recognizing the growing influence of the crypto community and the need to adapt their stances. He believes that this newfound political engagement, while unexpected, will ultimately benefit Bitcoin in the long run. It signals a growing acceptance of cryptocurrencies as a legitimate asset class, paving the way for wider adoption by institutions and mainstream investors. In conclusion, Michael Saylor's journey is a testament to the power of curiosity, the importance of challenging conventional wisdom, and the need to embrace new ideas. His story is an inspiration for anyone seeking to navigate the complexities of the financial world and unlock their full potential. We hope you've enjoyed this deep dive into Michael's incredible story. His insights into Bitcoin, finance, and the future of money are both thought-provoking and inspiring. If you enjoyed this episode, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Simple Mind Space for more captivating stories and insights from the world of finance and beyond. We'll see you in the next episode.